Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at Kimi K2.5, one of the most advanced AI models released in recent times. Kimi K2.5 is a flagship model from Moonshot AI, built around the idea of visual agentic intelligence. This means it's not just a chat model. It can understand tasks, break them down, and actively execute them across text, images, and code. A key strength of Kimi K2.5 is that it is natively multimodal. Vision and language are trained together, allowing the model to understand screenshots, UI designs, diagrams, and visual layouts naturally. You can show it a design or an interface and ask it to build the code. And it understands the structure, not just the description. This makes Kimi K2.5 especially powerful for coding, particularly front-end and UI-focused development. It can generate complete user interfaces, reason about visual alignment, debug layout issues, and improve code by analyzing visual output. One of the most impressive features is something called agent swarms. Instead of relying on a single chain of reasoning, Kimi K2.5 can create multiple subagents that work in parallel on different parts of a task. These agents coordinate automatically, making large and complex workflows significantly faster, often delivering multiple times speed improvements. Beyond development, Kimi K2.5 is designed for real-world productivity. It can generate full documents, spreadsheets, slide decks, and structured reports from a single request, handling the entire process end-to-end. Under the hood, the model has been trained on trillions of text and visual tokens, giving it strong reasoning abilities, long context understanding, and better consistency across complex tasks. Another important point is how Kimi K2.5 compares to other leading models. While many models still focus mainly on conversation or single-step reasoning, Kimi K2.5 is optimized for execution-heavy workflows, where planning, coordination, and follow-through matter more than just fluent answers. This makes it especially competitive in real production scenarios. Whether it's building software, automating workflows, or handling professional knowledge tasks, Kimi K2.5 represents a shift toward AI systems that don't just assist, they actively collaborate. For the first test, I gave Kimi a detailed prompt to create a modern, production-ready admin dashboard UI. This wasn't a simple design request. The prompt clearly defined the layout, components, charts, tables, responsiveness, UX behavior, and even design system expectations. Very close to what you'd give a real front-end team. What impressed me immediately was how Kimi approached the task. It didn't jump straight into code. First, it planned the entire solution, breaking the dashboard into layout sections, components, charts, state handling, and responsiveness strategies. Then, instead of just showing snippets, Kimi opened a real shell environment, started creating the project structure, installed dependencies, and wrote the actual production-level code, step by step. This is where the agentic behavior really stood out. Behind the scenes, Kimi used multiple agents to handle different responsibilities: layout, UI components, chart integration, responsiveness, and UX details, all working together automatically. Once everything was built, it didn't stop there. Kimi ran the project, verified the output, and finally deployed the dashboard, giving me a live URL that I could open in my browser. The dashboard includes a sticky top navigation bar with a global search, notifications, and user profile actions, along with a collapsible sidebar featuring icons and active route highlighting. The main content area contains a page title, breadcrumb, and date range filter, followed by KPI cards. While the structure is in place, the card alignment and overall visual balance aren't fully polished, so it doesn't yet feel like a mature SaaS dashboard. The dashboard also includes interactive reports, a line chart for user growth, a bar chart for monthly revenue, and a donut chart for traffic sources. These work functionally, but the layout and visual refinement of the reports are fairly basic. There's an advanced data table with search, sorting, pagination, and row actions. It works well, but UI consistency and responsiveness could be improved. Overall, this was a fully working dashboard built end-to-end, from planning to deployment. Even though the design quality isn't perfect, it clearly demonstrates how Kimi goes beyond chat and into real execution.